Welcome everybody about this new tutorial how you can put liquidity in your license. First of all, we have to move in an OperaSAO and we check how many we have available. We can click on the green button and we can choose the blue button or orange button to select other license to put liquidity. After we choose, remember, for example, in this case we have 13.02, we have to put 0.1 because 1 cent must be inside of the balance. We can withdraw minimum 20 USDT, and for the benefit of a trading, the day 5 and the day 20 we can withdraw. Don't forget to activate the bell, and for other and further information, stay tuned.
Uma revolução, vamos juntos nessa jornada, sem hesitação. Vamos construir uma comunidade